I'm Justin Wheelock, and today I'm going to be showing you how to enjoy your caramel apples a slightly different way. The first ingredient you'll need is just one apple. You can do more. All you're going to need is one apple. So you're going to need to cut your apples just like this, have a hole in the middle, not too thick. And next you're going to get the caramel, however you say it. Just kind of dollop it on there. And I always just roll it in the caramel too. Just kind of get a little bit on the outsides. Just like this, not too much. I got a pretty good amount. Next, we'll take your caramelized apple and you're gonna put it in the batter. The batter is sugar, flour, baking powder, 1 egg, sea salt, and cinnamon, all kind of mixed together. And I always put a little bit extra on, just kind of cover up any spots that I might have missed. And finally, you're gonna take the apple with the dough on it, and you're just gonna put it in some oil and let it cook. After you fry them, this should be your final product. A nice caramel apple donut.